Well done and all the best to the boys. Ferdinand Omanyala's coach, Geoffery Kimani, says Africa's fastest man will improve ahead of the Olympic Games. Kimani says Kenya's camp in Miramas ahead of the Games will help Omanyala in preparation for the Olympics.
To the layman, 100 is just close your eyes and run. And I use this, I keep saying, to the people watching, the 100 is short, but to the coach and the athlete, the 100 is very long. You need to get into your right angles on the blocks first. You need to clear those blocks the first 10 meters the right way. You need to execute your drive phase, which is from 0 to 30. You need to execute your transition, which is 30 to 40. Do you get up very quickly, or is it a nice progressive getting up? And then also, what do you do in between the 40 to 60? And then your speed maintenance, all those things. Those segments are trained individually. They have different needs that have to be trained individually. So once you bring it together is what we call the race model. So for Ferdinand, for the last races we've been running, it's been now bringing those phases together and so that he's able to run them seamlessly. You've heard sprinters talk about, I had a perfect race, I executed everything. It is those phases. So even in Hengelo, we are looking at how he's going to execute. We were at about 80–90% in the trials. I was happy with what he did because in the heats, all he needed to do was just run the first 60 and get to C. And those are the things you're also going to carry into the Olympics. How do you run your rounds? You need to be very careful how you run your rounds so that you don't gas out before the final.
It's a very nice technical explanation.